Let me show you how you can get back to customers and classify emails automatically using a simple automation. You might want to do this in order to get back to your customers in a timely manner, respond to queries automatically, minimize bad reviews, and improve your customer experience. So we kick things off with an email module. This is essentially watching any emails coming into the inbox. We're using an OpenAI to look at those emails coming in and then classify them based on the subject and the intent of the email. If it is about a refund, we want to put a 1. If it is about a general inquiry, we're going to put 2. And if this is to book an appointment, we're going to use a 3. We also give us some examples of what an email could look like. Now remember those little numbers? We put them in here. If that operation from ChatGPT is a 1, it will go up this path. We then use another OpenAI module to gather the reason why that customer wants a refund. Again, giving it some context and objectives and some of the rules. For example, module must only return the reason for the refund and nothing else. You can get as crazy as you want in here, and that is going to send an email to the customer with the output from that ChatGPT module. If it's a general question, we're going to use an assistant to get back to that person, ask any question. In this particular example, it's going to use a more formal and professional tone, and you can essentially also expand this. And because this is an assistant, you'll be able to upload any relevant documents and any products that your business has in order to make those responses much richer, and then can send that email automatically or can keep it in a draft. And finally, setting up an appointment is a little bit more complex. We need to extract a date. The objective here is to come back with a date in a particular format that we can use later on in our Google Calendar module. In this particular example, it is an ISO 8601, and then that goes to extract the end date. It can perform the action of putting it on a calendar. We have a different router here where if the slot is free, it will go ahead and book that, reformat the date, and send the email back to the customer saying that their appointment is booked. And then if there isn't an availability on that slot, we essentially have an email going out to that customer saying that that slot is not available, and they can repeat the entire cycle. We have one automation with 3 different parts based on any emails that are coming in, and you can tailor this to your business needs in order to improve the customer experience, to save time, and to not let any questions fall through the cracks. If you want any of these prompts that are used in this example, comment prompt below. I'm happy to send it so you can experiment with your own automations. I'll see you in the next one.